Hello boys and girls, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to another production tutorial. Today we're going to cover the application of Virtual DJ. Virtual DJ is a wonderful application to use for a beginner level, intermediate level, and a pro level. I actually use the application myself and it works great. Today we're going to cover the application that is used for the iPad and the iPhone device that you can remotely control your computer by using those devices. Let's begin. First, we're going to start off by locating our actual iPhone or iPad device that we want to connect with the application on our computer. To do that, we're going to go to the configuration. You see that we have a plethora of options located in the settings. The one that we want is iPhone and iPad. Once you click on that section, you'll see over on the left hand side that we have an enabled key. Once you click on the enable key, it will search for your device once the application is open. You'll see down here on the status column that the one that I'm using right now, which is my name Adrian, is already connected. Once connected, your device's screen will look like this. It will now let you know that your iPad or iPhone's application is now remote controlly connected to your computer software. If you look in the upper half of your application, you'll see that we have our basic functionalities, which is cue, pause, play, and reloop, our sync button, and our loop button. We also have our pitch sliders on both decks, and in the middle we have our volume control and our crossfader. Now let me give you an example on how each song is going to beat match. If we look at our left hand side of the deck, our beats per minute is 158 for Lil Wayne's Go DJ. On the right hand side of the deck we have 155 beats per minute for Lean With It, Rock With It. I'm just going to simply click on the right hand side of the deck, which is our red one, and click sync. You will now see that it will automatically beat match at 158 with Go DJ. Let's give it a test. Now, that was the easiest way to beat match both songs within the application to get them to synchronize to beat match. Now, I want to look down in the lower left hand corner of the application where you see effects. With our effects panel, we have a left deck which correlates with the blue side, and we have the right deck which correlates with the red side. On each deck, we have an effect and a filter. Now, these effects are already preset within the application software on your computer, and the filter is already set up as well. Let me give you an example of that on the blue deck. I'm going to click on my effect here. And then I'm going to click on my filter and just move that down and back up. Now, if we look in our middle, we have browser. This is actually really cool because we can now select from our hard drive or your flash drive, whatever one you have connected to your computer, and search for songs just as it is. So let's say if I wanted to select, this song here. I'm going to put it over on that deck there and press play. And voila, you can now search your browser and continue rolling with the party. Now, in our right hand deck, we have the sampler. Our sampler allows us to play our effects while the song is actually playing out loud. Just another way to keep the party going. I want to turn back on this song here. And let me press play here. So that's all for today's tutorial. Remember, this application is only available for the App Store market. So all of my iPad users and my iPhone users, you can use this application. Anybody who has an Android device, you are not able to use this application. The application is only $10, so just check it out, test it out, see if you like it or not. I think it's a really cool app, and maybe you will too. And remember, you be the creator.